Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your YouTube search history. First, open your YouTube application or visit the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you are signed into the correct account where you want to manage the search history. You will easily locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This initial step ensures you are ready to access your personalized settings and privacy controls, making the overall process straightforward and quick. Once you are on the YouTube homepage, click your profile picture, which is usually in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, select History to navigate to your viewing activity. On the left sidebar, locate and click Manage All History to open your specific activity controls. This section allows you to view and interact with all past YouTube activity, including your previous searches. To clear individual search entries, click on Interactions in the menu on the left side of your activity page. Then, select Search History to see a detailed list of your past searches. Next to each search item, you will see a small X button. Click this button to permanently remove that specific entry from your history, giving you precise control over your data. If you want to prevent YouTube from saving your searches moving forward, return to the Manage All History page. Look for the Controls section, typically found on the left panel, and click Web and App Activity. Toggle the Web and App Activity setting to the off position. Confirm your choice, and YouTube will no longer save new search queries from that moment on, ensuring ongoing privacy and control over your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.